As we move into the final stretch of the year, there's a lot to think about. Holidays, family, gatherings, and yes, financial planning. And this is your reminder that the last quarter is critical for making sure your financial future is secure and stress-free. So, for those of you 65 and older, October kicks off a very important window, Medicare open enrollment. From October 15th through December 7th, this is the time to make changes to your Medicare coverage. Are you happy with your current plan? Maybe your needs have changed. You could join, switch, or drop your Medicare Advantage plan, or review your drug plan if you're on original Medicare. But remember, healthcare costs are a big part of retirement, and it's crucial that your plan works for you. Now's the time to review it. Don't wait until the last minute. It's also RMD season. If you're 73 or older, you know what time it is. Required minimum distributions, aka RMD. The government has been very nice enough to allow you to defer taxes on your retirement accounts. But now they want their share. So if you haven't taken your RMDs yet, the deadline is December 31st. But here's a tip. Don't push this to the last minute, okay? If you miss the deadline, you could face a steep penalty of 50% of the amount you were supposed to withdraw. And if it's your first RMD, you have until April the 1st of next year. Why risk the stress? Talk to your wealth advisor about the best strategy for taking your RMDs, especially if you have complex situations like a much younger spouse or inherited accounts. All right, let's move into November. Employer open enrollment. It's not just about Medicare. November also kicks off open enrollment for employer benefits. And this is when you can make changes to your health insurance, update your health spending accounts, update your flexible spending accounts, your FSAs, and fund your health savings accounts. And maximizing these benefits can help you save more for retirement and cover unforeseen medical expenses. So if your employer offers an HSA, I strongly consider you to consider it, okay? And these accounts have triple tax benefits, tax deductible contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free distributions for medical expenses. Plus, the limits are generous. $4,150 for individuals a year and $8,300 for families. November, also, you want to consider tax loss harvesting. Now, here's a smart year-end move. Okay, tax loss harvesting. Okay, if you've sold some investments and have capital gains this year, you might be able to offset them by selling underperforming investments at a loss. And this strategy can reduce your tax bill, but make sure to follow the IRS rule, like avoiding the wash sale rule. That means you can't buy the same or very similar investment within 30 days. It's a great tool, especially if you're in a higher tax bracket. All right, looking ahead into December. It's time to plan for IRMA premiums. Medicare beneficiaries, here's one more thing to think about. Those IRMA premiums, honey. That's the income-related monthly adjustment amount, and it's based on your income from 2 years ago. Yeah, y'all heard me talking about this before. So if you've earned a bit more in 2022, your premiums or Medicare Part B and D might be higher in 2024. The difference between the lowest and highest premiums can be over $400 a month. So it's important to check your Social Security benefit rate change notice to see how this affects you. But it's always better to plan ahead and not be surprised by those extra costs, okay, in the new year. So December, also, it's time to estimate your investment income. And before you wrap up the year, it's also time to estimate that investment income, if you've made gains or received dividends, it could significantly impact your tax return. Estimate your gains and losses and get a clear picture of what you might owe the IRS. This way, you won't be blindsided come tax season. And you may be able to make some last minute adjustments to offset any tax liabilities. So, here's the recap for the final quarter of the year. Review your Medicare plan during open enrollment. Take your RMDs if you're 73 or older. Maximize your employer benefits. Use tax loss harvesting to lower your tax bill and prepare for earned premium changes. Estimate your investment income for tax planning. With the right steps, you can set yourself up for a smoother year ahead, financially and personally. So don't wait. Start checking these items off your list today. So if you need guidance, reach out to a trusted fiduciary financial advisor who can help you navigate these year-end decisions. And if you don't have one, give us a call. We'll point you in the right direction. Hope you found this information helpful and exciting, and it prompted you to get motivated to take action to improve your financial future.